Hello, cat aspirants. Welcome to another episode of Bell the Cat series. Today, we'll be looking at the e-commerce rating problem from CAT 2024. So, this is a very simple problem and will not take much time to solve. We'll be using a lot of quant concepts in this particular question. So, we have an e-commerce firm which receives daily integer product ratings from 1 to 5 from buyers. We calculate the average of these ratings on that particular day. Also, we calculate the cumulative average of all ratings given on or before that day. For day 1 and day 2, we have the cumulative averages as 3 and 3.1 respectively. Also, we have a distribution of ratings on day 2. Then we have certain information regarding the ratings given on day 3. Total of 100 buyers have given the ratings on day 3. The mode of the product ratings were 4 and 5. That means 4 and 5, the ratings were given by the same number of buyers, and that number was the maximum because that is what mode is. Then all the buyers which give product rating are non-zero multiples of 10, and also same number of buyers have given product ratings of 1 and 2, and that number is half the number of buyers who gave a rating of 3. So first, we'll be just looking at the rating distribution on day 2. So we have 5 buyers who have given the rating 1, 10 buyers given the rating 2, 5 buyers have given the rating 3, 20 buyers have given the rating 4, and 10 buyers have given the rating 5. So if we calculate the mean, we have 5 plus 10 plus 5 plus 20 plus 15 plus 80 plus 50 by total number of buyers, that is 50. So we have the mean as 3.4. Next, we will be looking at the rating distribution on day 3. We know that rating buyers who have given rating 1 and 2, they are same in count, and that count is half of the buyers who have given the rating 3. So I'll be assuming the rating given by 1 and 2 as x, and then the number of buyers who have given the rating 3 would be 2x. Now, the minimum possible value for x is 10 because it's a non-zero multiple of 10. So if I give the value of x as 10, then sum of the number of buyers who have given rating 1, 2, and 3 would be 10 plus 10 plus 20. That would be 40. And then I know that 4 and 5, the number of buyers who have given rating 4 and 5 is the same. So it would be 30 each, which also happens to be the mode for this particular distribution. Now, if I consider the value of x as 20, so we already have a possible solution with x equal to 10. But if I assume x equal to 20, then the number of sum of buyers for 1, 2, and 3 rating would be 20 plus 20 plus 40. That would be 80. So only 20 would be left for 4 and 5. That would give the value of number of buyers for rating 4 and 5 as 10 each, which is not mode for this distribution. Hence, the only possible value for x is 10, which gives me the following distribution. Now, let's calculate the mean also for this distribution, which comes out to be 3.6. Now, let's calculate the cumulative ratings for all days. So I know that, let's assume the number of buyers on day 1 as x. So 3 into x plus 3.4 into 50 divided by x plus 50. That is the total number of buyers for day 1 and day 2. So I'm calculating the cumulative mean for day 1 and day 2. That would be 3x plus 170 divided by x plus 50 equal to 3.1. If I solve for x, I get the value of x as 150, which is the number of buyers for day 1. Now I can also calculate similarly the cumulative mean for day 3. That would be 150 into 3, that is 140, 450. Then 50 into 3.4, which is 170. And 100 plus 100 multiplied by 3.6, which is 360. Summing all this and then divided by 150 plus 50 plus 100, which is the total number of buyers. which gives me the cumulative mean for day 3 as 3.27. So we have already found all the values which were asked. Now let's look at the questions. So how many buyers gave the ratings on day 1? The answer is 150. Then what is the daily average rating on day 3? So on day 3, the average rating is 3.6, which is option A. What is the median of all ratings given on day 3? So median for this distribution would be 50 and 51st term. So 50 and 51st term is 4. Hence the median is 4. Next, what is true about the cumulative average rating of day 2 and day 3? So day 2 and day 3, the increase is 0.17, which is around 6%. So the answer is C. The cumulative average of day 3 increased by a percentage between 5 and 8 from day 2. The answer is option C. So this was a very simple LRDI problem which used the quant concepts of mean, median and mode. Now, hope you have learned something today. Tell us in the comments what LRDI question you want us to solve next, and we will try to include it in our next episodes. Till then, stay motivated, stay focused, and we will see you in the next episode.